my third year coming to the retreat, and every year I've honestly felt a lot better when it comes to controlling certain negative emotions, for example stress, that I've experienced a lot throughout my studies. I've noticed a really big change in how I combat stress, and I think that is I know now that the reason behind it is because I'm slowly understanding what the truth of the world is and how stress is created in our minds, and that is with the help of the monks that come to the retreat. We get one-on-one sessions with them, and we also get group sessions, and they help us deconstruct what feelings are and they help us see the truth of the world and what our end goal should be to achieve true happiness. And it's been honestly an incredible experience.
Another big positive benefit of the retreat itself was the friendships we made. So I came here with just my brother and 2 of my family friends, but then now we have a group of say 10 or 12 who have really been interested, just like we have, in this path of life and attaining Nirvana. Also wanted to say that another very important and profound impact was talking to Mahindathera one-on-one. I had been meaning to ask him some questions that I had written down, about 10 of the questions I had written down that I had developed over the course of the trip. And I went to Mahindathera. He was very happy to answer my questions, and he answered my first 2 questions, and we found that all of my questions had the same answer, which were the same answer that he was showing to all of us in the sermons, of the way that we look at ourselves, the way we look at the perception of the world around us, and the path towards enlightenment and reaching eternal happiness by removing the attachment and the ignorance.
I also love the fact that the way they style the way we eat the meals sort of reflects the way the Swami Mahansas do when they take alms, and it's honestly eye-opening to the fact that the food is just for fuel. It's not anything else. It's just energy for you to digest. You don't think about the taste. A lot of the stuff that we learned honestly makes sense. It's not like you have to put belief into it. It's a reality, it's a truth, and it makes sense, and it's explained in a way that it's truly just eye-opening. I don't really know how the way to express it, but it's like they didn't just say, well, this is what happens, end of story. They gave examples. When we questioned them, they didn't shy away from any questions. They didn't be angered towards us if we asked specific type of questions. They liked it when we challenged what they were telling us.
At the start I was quite closed off, but once I came here I was glad I did. There were so many things that I learned, and it really broadened my perspective on Buddhism and allowed me to gain a deeper understanding of the teachings and the life as a monk. The accommodation and food here at Wagga Bombala Retreat Centre was really good. It was excellent. We were in communal lodges. I was with the children, and it was honestly a fun time.